Good morning, grade 6. I've got another little grammar lesson for you. I felt that this was the best way to do it last time, having a bit of a slideshow and then just me blubbering on as well. So you've got a bit of the best of both worlds, okay? Because then you can sort of tune me out sometimes if you need to, or you can listen to me. Sometimes there might be enough information on the screen. Sometimes I might add some. So if you do tune me out, you may miss something. So try and remember that. All right, so today we're looking at forming plurals. Hopefully you all know what a plural is. If you don't, hopefully by the end of this, you have a better idea. So I want you to stop this video right now and, well, not right now, just wait till I've told you what I want you to do. I want you to tell me what's wrong with these words here. You are going to either write this like in your book, just write what you think is wrong with it, or if you have someone to discuss this with, brother, sister, cousin, auntie, uncle, mum, dad, whoever is at home with you, maybe just go and ask them what they think is wrong with these words and what you think is wrong with these words, okay? Obviously, they don't look right, so what is wrong, okay? All right, you should be back by now. As you can see, these are not spelled correctly for the plural that they are, okay? So when we look at the word knives, we don't say knives, we say knives. So what there's something missing there. We don't say calves, we say calves. So there's also something, if you listen to that word calves, there's something missing there. We don't say calves. We don't say two staffs either. We don't say cliffs and we don't say roofs, okay, for the word roof. All right, so think about why. I'm going to talk to you, but you'll realize in a minute. I'm going to go to the next page, but there's a rule. It's a couple of rules with the plurals. Today we're only focusing on F and FE ending words, and I've got a little bonus one at the end there for you, but we've done a bit of this in class, so hopefully you'll have a better idea of all plurals once we finish this lesson today. All right, so there's a lot of rules, obviously, with our English language, and I thought I'd just whack a couple in for you. So to form the plurals of some words ending in F or FE, you need to change the F to a V and add ES, like shelf or shelves. So here the word shelves. All right, so I'm going to go back to this one now. If you listen to this, knives, you hear the V, you need to get rid of the F and put a V. You hear the word calves, you take out the F, you add a V, and then the ES, okay? That's really important that you understand that. You don't need to say cliffs or roofs. You say roof or cliffs or roofs, okay? Rule number 2, to form the plurals of some words ending in F or FE, you only need to add an S. Okay, one golf or several golfs. Okay, if you're not sure what that word golf means, you need to look it up because I think that's something you should know what it is. So have a look in your dictionary that you maybe have picked up when you came to school, hopefully. All right, there's another sneaky rule, and this is about the letter O, so it's a little bit different to the others, but I just thought I'd pop it in there because some people get confused about this one all the time. So if you have a singular noun that ends in O, you add ES to make it a plural. So potato, potatoes. There's a little exception, though, with photos. We don't put the E there. All right, you've got a couple of activities to do today. You have picked up 2 sheets when you came to pick up your books. One of them was this one, the forming plurals. That won't take you very long, so I've added in an extra for you. You're welcome. It's a crossword as well. So you've got those 2 activities to do, and you can stick them into your grammar or your writing book, whichever you took home. I don't mind. But you need to really think about how, like, answering those correctly. Once you I'll put them in the classroom too in case you've forgotten. Once you've finished that, I want you to choose 6 words from here and put them into sentences using plurals. Okay, that's all you're doing for your Friday. All right, so it shouldn't take you ages, but I want you to try and really think about it and do it correctly. And if you don't do something on here, you don't know what to do, you need to ask your teacher. Don't just not do it. All right, ask away. All right, have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week for the weekly warm-up, I guess. Maybe a different outfit next week. See you guys.